Yo, it's your boy, it's Ron. I'm back with another video. And I got this camera, you know, I got this new camera. See how this quality about to come out, you know. So, let's just get straight on to it. This video ain't gonna be long at all. So, we're doing, I got my tail lights came, man. I'm also changing these struts on here because these joints was bad. Well, one of them was bad. This one right here, I already took it out. Just pull these little clamps with a flat head, and then just pull it right out, and it pops right out on both sides. So I'm gonna put these new ones in. These are my new ones right here. Both of these. Throw these in there. I ain't been able to get back here in a minute. Jeez. So I'm gonna go ahead, put this joint on. I don't have no stand for this camera just yet, so I'm gonna have to stop the video and stuff. But I'm gonna update y'all as the process go on. Alright, y'all, we back. So, yeah, I wanna let y'all know, when y'all changing these, please make sure you got somebody out here to help you hold this thing up when you do it. Because these, for one, don't come in the exact measurement of the door being open. So therefore, you got to push the door up even more, and it feel like it's like freaking 500 pounds. It's all heavy as hell. Like, god dang. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to the video, man. You know, we got the new tail lights in, man. We got the new tail lights. Got the new tail lights. I'm gonna clean all this stuff up. This looks all nasty and stuff, man. I'm gonna clean all this up. And I'm gonna take everything, all the screws out. Look like we got a screw here, and a screw up here. And I think this just pops off. And then these, we already know how these come out, you know. There ain't nothing much to it, just pull it right on out. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get right on to it. I'll be right back in a second. So, while you're down here, you gotta take this piece, you gotta unhook this piece right here. Because the new lights that I have, the piece hooks directly into here. Alright, so this is the cord that goes up through here, and it goes to the tail lights. So this whole system is about to come off. Alright, so it started raining, so I had to stop for a second, but got the lights off. Screw right here. And once you take the tail light off, it's gonna be a screw under it. These are tail light screws right here. I already sprayed this stuff down so I can wipe it down. I got this side off too. So, yeah, we're about to get back to it. Got them on there. About to screw them up. And then show y'all how these chains work. How they look with it on. So this one fits perfect. Right here. But on this side, just always something. Like a little small gap. I'm trying to see if I could push it in a little bit more. I'm gonna work on it though. Alright, so I know we took out 4 screws at first, but with this one, you only gotta put 3 in. 1, 2, and 3. And that's on both sides. And let's see how it look. I ain't hook them up yet though. And my truck dirty, so I can't wait to go to it. Now you can't hardly see it real good though, but yeah. Them channels hitting, yeah. That's what I really wanted though. I know some people gonna hate me because, man, I know a lot of y'all gonna hate me for putting these Cadillac lights on this Tahoe. But guess what? I don't care, cause it's what I like. It's what I like, all right? These Jones hit on here. These Jones hit. Y'all tripping if you say it don't. You tripping if you say it don't. Don't worry about the tent on there. I'm gonna get somebody to do that professionally, but I couldn't have this. I couldn't have it the way they sent it. I had to throw some tent on there, but let me button these Jones up real quick so I can turn them on for you, so y'all can see what I'm talking about. You recording it? Hi. That shit look hideous. I gotta get it done for real. Need some real tent on there.
Tell them how you just talked your shit.
Hey man, I did just talk some shit, man. That joke is ugly. Just that part, just my tent work. The light look good, but that part is not it. That ain't it. I'm gonna have to do something about that. My girl said this side don't look that bad. So you see what it could look like. I ain't even see it yet. I'm still down here. Hey man, this some YouTube on the budget. You know what I'm saying?
Say it again.
This some YouTubing on the budget, man. You know, you know. They were like, why you ain't just go get a tenant? Man, I can't afford it. So, all right, so they look good, but my tent work with the spray that ain't cutting. That ain't cutting it at all, man. So I'm gonna go get some Goo Gone. I'm gonna take all this off and I'm gonna go get it tinted for real, but I was pressed to put them on. I just wanted them to be black because I ordered them smoked, but it did not come smoked. So I smoked them myself, and it came out bad. But
that was a fail. I'm telling you what to say. Just call it out. That was a fail.
All right, man. It was a fail, man. It did fail, but you know, at least I got the lights, right? Yeah.